Hello everyone, just Mr. Martin here. We're just starting our first flip learning lesson. Today we're going to do a lesson that is talking about subtracting four-digit numbers. It's on page 70, 71, 72. We're just going to talk about one strategy today to subtract your four-digit numbers, and it's about making friendly numbers. Okay? And you look in the book on page 71, the top of the page, the math problem is there is 2031 subtract 856. Okay, now that looks like it's going to be a hard problem to do just regular subtraction. So we're just trying to get out of the regular subtraction and try and use friendly numbers. Okay, friendly numbers are a nice way to subtract. It's also a nice way to add. Now, how do we make friendly numbers out of 2031 and 856? Well, the first thing I'm going to do is write it down best I can. Okay, that way. That doesn't look great there, but you get the idea. The first thing I want to do is I want to make one of these numbers, either the 2031 or the 856, a nice number. I'm going to take this number right here, 2031, because it's not hard to make that a friendly number. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take away 31 from each side. So if I take away 31 from that, what's that going to give me? It's going to give me 2,000. If I'm taking away 31 from the bottom, from the top, I also have to take away from the bottom. Okay? If I take away 31 from the bottom, number 856, for an answer, that's going to give me 825. Okay? 825 is a better number to work with, but in subtracting, okay? But what you're going to find now is you're going to run into a problem. I got a feeling borrowing here, okay? Because your first step is what? Your first step, 0 take away 5. Can I do that? Nope, can't do it. Okay, can I take one from 0? Nope. Can I take 1 away from 0? Nope. Can I take 1 away from 2? I can. It's going to be pretty tricky. So I need to make my numbers look a little better. Okay? Now, if I can't make this number here look any better, I'm going to make this 825 look a little better. Make it look like a friendly number. So in the book, they tell you to add 75 to it. Okay? To make that into a nice friendly number. Think of it in terms of money. Okay? If you have $8.25, make that into a friendly number by adding. Okay? And when I add, that's going to give me what? 2,075. What's the bottom number going to be? 825 plus 75. Whoops. Think in terms of money. Okay, 75 cents plus 25 cents is going to give me $9 or 900. Now, it takes a long process, but now that's a really easy number to subtract with. Okay? I'm going to give you a second just to copy that down. So you should have this copied down in your notebooks, just like this. And now I just want you to regular subtract using your friendly number. So 5 take away 0, of course, 5. 7 take away 0, 7. 0 take away 9. Well, I can't do that, so now I have to borrow. But this is a lot easier to borrow. That 2 becomes a 1. The 10 becomes a 9. 10 take away 9, 1. 1 take away nothing, of course, is 1. So there is your answer. 1,175. That looks a lot better. Okay? To subtract. Now, that's a strategy for subtracting. I'm going to give you 2 problems to work on and try and do the exact same step that I did and see what answer you get. I'm going to do 7, 25, take away 480. I would like for you to try and get this problem using the strategy I just did. Make a nice friendly number, okay? Make some friendly numbers there. That's one example I want you to do tonight. Okay, and the second one I want you to do, example 2, and I'll just scroll down a little bit. 351 take away 189. Those are your 2 problems to work on tonight. So tomorrow when we get in class, I'm just going to ask for the answers for those 2. I'm going to go around and just check and see if you kind of followed the strategy that I did using friendly numbers. So we'll check on that tomorrow. So here's your 2 problems to work on tonight. I will see you in the morning. Have a great night.